Hi, I am Matilda and I am a certified clinical aromatherapist. I'm also a trainer of internationally accredited aromatherapy courses. So, if you are interested in pursuing aromatherapy professionally or would like to deepen your knowledge in this area, do refer to the link to my courses in the description down below to get more information. This channel is set up to empower women in health and wealth. So if you're interested in the topics that I'm sharing in this channel, do subscribe to this channel and hit the notification bell so that you will be informed of all future videos. Today, I'm going to share with you what are some of the uses and benefits of lemongrass essential oil. So if you like this video that you're watching, do smash the like button and share it with your friends. Lemongrass is a very purifying oil and has been used as a culinary herb, especially in Southeast Asian countries, like in lemongrass tea for digestion. There is another plant in the same family as lemongrass that looks and smells similar to lemongrass, and that plant is called Citronella. They are both very effective insect repellents and air purifiers, with some differences. Lemongrass is all green, whereas Citronella is reddish in the base of the stems. Here are some uses and benefits of lemongrass essential oil. So first and foremost, you can use lemongrass as a purifier. So you can diffuse lemongrass at home for a nice refreshing smell. You can use lemongrass as an insect repellent as well. So here is a very effective insect repellent blend that I personally use. You can actually mix lemongrass, rosemary, tea tree, eucalyptus, peppermint, and lavender together with some water and a pinch of sea salt and put them all into a glass spray bottle. That will give you a very nice smelling natural insect repellent that is safe for your kids as well. And of course, we can use lemongrass as a form of digestive support. So you can take it like a lemongrass tea, but in a much higher concentration. Another great way to use lemongrass is for your nerves and ligaments. A lot of people don't know that lemongrass actually has this ability to help regenerate soft tissues and ligaments. So if you have any nerve, soft tissue, ligament kind of injury or discomfort, you can try applying some lemongrass diluted with a carrier oil. And do you know why people like to add lemongrass to massage oil? That's because lemongrass helps to promote circulation and lymph flow. So, especially if you're going for a lymphatic massage, it'll be great, to add some lemongrass essential oil into your bottle of carrier oil and give it to your masseuse for a very nice, relaxing, refreshing massage. For those of you who stand a lot or for some reason experience fluid retention, you can also use lemongrass diluted in a carrier oil and massage onto the affected area. Similarly, you can also use lemongrass for varicose veins. It may help to ease the appearance of varicose veins. For those of you who eat a lot of raw food like sashimi, or if you suspect that you have some parasites, in your digestive system, you can actually take lemongrass as a form of antiparasitic supplement. You have to use lemongrass essential oil that's certified for internal use only. Lemongrass also has very strong antibacterial properties. You can also make your own antibacterial hand sanitizer using lemongrass essential oil, but do remember to dilute it. So you can use a lotion base or you can use a carrier oil base. And if you have fungus on your nails or on your skin, you can also use lemongrass essential oil because it has antifungal properties. For those of you who suffer from hypertension, you can also inhale more of lemongrass essential oil or do more massages with lemongrass essential oil in it. It might help to modulate your blood pressure. Another amazing usage of lemongrass essential oil is for those of you who have high cholesterol. Some time ago, my grandmother has been on medication, for high cholesterol, hypertension. My mom gives her a mixture of lemon and lemongrass essential oil in a vegetable capsule that's approved for internal use every day. And after a year of ingesting this capsule of lemon and lemongrass essential oil, the doctor actually told my grandmother that she can halve her medication. So she was really happy, and we know that the essential oils work. These are very affordable oils, it's natural, so there's no harm in giving it a try. Now that you know all the benefits and uses of lemongrass essential oil, it's time for us to learn how to be a bit more cautious when using lemongrass essential oil, especially if we're going to introduce it to our friends and family. So here are some precautions of lemongrass essential oil. So because lemongrass essential oil is considered a hot oil and it might cause skin sensitivity, always remember to dilute lemongrass essential oil before applying it on your skin topically. Also, if you're pregnant, nursing, or have a medical condition, I would suggest that you consult a healthcare professional before using it. So if you like this video, do smash the like button, subscribe to this channel, and hit the notification bell so that you will be informed of future videos. And I would appreciate it greatly if you could share this video with your friends and comment down below if you have any questions pertaining to lemongrass essential oil, or simply just to say you like this video that I produced on lemongrass essential oil. Have a good day and a great week ahead, and don't forget to check out my other videos.